Orukiiko rwa Uganda Episcopal Conference Rw'Ababishopu mu Uganda ali chairperson warwo kandi ali Bishop wa Kiyinda Mityana Diocese Right Reverend Joseph Anthony Ziwa yashoborera ngu ebikorwa by'akavuyo Omukaruuru tebirukwiyaho obwiyaho ekitiinisa kyako na n'ebya demokrasiya oyireho nibifungura n'omwoyo gwa Christmas na n'okwikiriza omu bakristaayo arukushoborera ngu orukiiko rundushaba ngu habe okwegarukamu na n'okuteekamu ekitiinisa obugabe bw'abantu.
We stated clearly our expectations regarding the forthcoming elections. In that letter, we reiterated our concerns about recurring unethical and some criminal practices that have crept into our elections, both national and within political parties. In that letter, we cited an equal playing field for contestants and the violence orchestrated by politicians, their supporters, and security agencies.
Ahanshongejo Bishop Ziwa yashaba akakiiko k'ebyobururu ngu kabako obujunaanizibwa omuhururu y'akaruuru egi buri bara muntu araribatirre ebiragiro by'okuteeza akaruuru ajunaanwe ahabwa ebikorwa bye.
As we draw closer to polling day, we appeal to all stakeholders involved in the electoral process to play their roles in a manner that promotes the dignity of every Ugandan, regardless of his or her political affiliation. We call on the Electoral Commission to demonstrate effective control of the electoral process and the security agencies to stick to their roles of keeping law and order and desist from violent acts that injure and kill voters. Such acts threaten our fragile democracy.
Omwoyo nigwo gumwe yashaba abateezi b'akaruuru okuba businge bakozesa obugabe bwabo burikubaheebwa engenderwaho y'eihanga okutoora n'abeebembezi abarikwekundira omu karuuru akarukwija hatari munguzi n'obukwaku bw'okutiinisirizibwa.
We appeal to voters to listen to the different candidates and make informed decisions. Voters should desist from any violent acts and accepting bribes, but instead elect leaders who will serve them effectively. We encourage you to turn up in large numbers on the voting day to cast your votes for your preferred candidates.
Ebi byona nibyija obw'eihanga risigezeho ebiro 20 byonka okwika izooba ly'okuteera akaruuru ak'obwa pulezidenti n'abanyeshengyero akarikwija kuteerwa 2015 by'okwokubanza omwaka ogurikwija. Gasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga omuri Kampala habwa Tayari West.